A reflection on the Ming Dynasty, achievements, challenges, and lasting impact. The Ming Dynasty was a pivotal era in Chinese history, marking a period of restoration, expansion, and cultural flourishing after the decline of the Yuan Dynasty. Founded by Zhou Yuanzhang, a peasant leader who overthrew the Mongols, the Ming Dynasty witnessed significant political, economic, and social transformations. This video will delve into the key aspects of the Ming era, examining its achievements, challenges, and lasting impact on modern Chinese society. The Ming Dynasty re-established a strong government with the emperor holding absolute power. The civil service system, based on Confucian principles, was further strengthened and became the primary channel for social mobility. However, later in the dynasty, issues such as court corruption and factionalism weakened the government. The Ming also saw the construction of the magnificent Forbidden City as a symbol of imperial authority. The Ming Dynasty experienced significant economic growth fueled by agricultural advancement, expansion of trade, and the development of handicrafts. The opening of maritime trade routes, particularly through Zheng, his expeditions brought wealth and exotic goods to China. However, economic problems such as inflation and unequal distribution of wealth emerged in the later Ming period. The Ming Dynasty witnessed a resurgence of Chinese culture and arts. Notable achievements include the compilation of the Yongle Encyclopedia, a massive collection of knowledge, and the flourishing of Ming literature, exemplified by the novel Journey to the West. Traditional Chinese painting and ceramics also reached new heights of artistic refinement. Confucianism remained the dominant ideology, shaping values and ethics. The legacy of Ming Dynasty continues to shape the Chinese society in numerous ways. Centralized government. The emphasis on a strong centralized government remains a characteristic of the Chinese political system. Bureaucracy. The civil service system's influence can still be seen in the structure and operation of the modern Chinese bureaucracy. Cultural identity. The Ming Dynasty's cultural achievements, particularly in literature, art, and philosophy, are integral to Chinese cultural identity and continue to be celebrated. Economic development. The Ming's emphasis on trade and economic growth provides a historical context for China's modern economic policies and its role in global trade. Political structure. The structure of the Chinese government, with the emphasis on a strong central authority and hierarchical system, reflects historical patterns established during the Ming Dynasty. Cultural preservation. The ongoing efforts to preserve and promote traditional Chinese culture, including literature, art, and philosophy, demonstrate the lasting influence of Ming era. National identity. The Ming Dynasty's role in restoring Chinese rule and cultural pride contributes to the narrative of national rejuvenation that is prominent in modern China. Architectural influence. The architectural style of the Forbidden City and other Ming-era structures has influenced the design of contemporary Chinese buildings and public spaces. The Ming Dynasty, with its dramatic rise and equally dramatic fall, offers a rich tapestry of historical lessons. Examining its successes and failures provides valuable insights into the dynamics of power, governance, economic development, and cultural change. Importance of strong and ethical leadership. The lessons of effective governance, ethical leadership, and avoiding corruption are highly relevant to contemporary political changes faced by nations around the world. Need for balanced development. The need for balanced economic development, addressing inequality, and promoting social justice remains a crucial concern for policymakers in the 21st century. The importance of cultural preservation. The necessity of cultural preservation, while also embracing innovation and adapting to change, is a key consideration in the context of globalization and modernization. Studying the Ming Dynasty has provided me with a deeper understanding of the complexities of Chinese history and the cyclical nature of dynastic rule. It highlighted the importance of strong leadership, effective governance, and the need to adapt to changing circumstances to maintain stability and prosperity. Its cultural achievements showcase the enduring power of cultural heritage and its influence on contemporary society. This offered valuable insights into the dynamics of power, economic development, and cultural identity, which are relevant to understanding modern challenges. I can apply these insights in my own life by recognizing the importance of continuous learning, adaptability, ethical leadership, and striving for balance in my personal and professional endeavors. And that's all, folks. I hope you enjoyed this video presentation. Thank you.